although it's summer, you don't have to hide behind sunglasses to hide your puffy eyes, in case you've been there. We all been there, sleepless night, whatever. And if you're there right now and you need a quick fix to relax and reduce the puffiness in your eyes, I have some great tips for you. You don't have to use all of them. Just take whatever works for you. They're natural, they're mostly you have them at home. Because nobody wants to wake up with tired, puffy looking eyes. And luckily, if there's no medical condition, bringing your eyes back to good state is not so far there, and it can be very simple. Sometimes we know exactly what got us to this point. Maybe a night of cry, maybe a sleepless night, poor diet, allergy, stress as well. And again, if it's not a medical condition, you can try to use these tips. They're super helpful. The first one, you kind of have to prepare it, let's say at least an hour before, but I always have cold spoons in my fridge because this is such a great thing to do. You take 2 of them or 1 and then lay down and place them over the eye. Now you place them on the round side like this, and just keep it for as long as you want, and you can repeat this process whenever you want. It kind of suits the eye with the shape, and it works really fast. So that's the first one. The second one is the good old cucumbers. So because cucumbers are high in water, they are great to rehydrate your eyes, and they're practically affecting if you put them in the fridge, sorry, of course, because they are cold. Just slice cucumbers from the fridge, lay down, place them on your eyes. They will moisture, they will hydrate, and they will reduce the puffiness. So that's, I believe most of us know them. Another thing is anything frozen from the fridge. It can be frozen bag of peas, of beans, whatever you like. I got that one. Same idea. It works like miracle. Cold works like miracles on puffiness. Point. So on the eye, if you have 2 of these, relax and let the magic do its bag. Another thing are tea bags, and especially chamomile. Chamomile has the benefit of calming and relaxing, and it also helps with eye infection. So you make a glass of chamomile tea, you let it cool down, make sure it's cooled down, even put it in the fridge, it's better, and use the tea bag on your eyes. Massage. So because the skin under the eye is thinner, it tends to let the water just stay there more, and that's why you also see wrinkles quicker. And let's say the first place you see wrinkles is usually under the eye because the skin is thinner. When we massage the area, we kind of help spread this puffiness, this air or water that's just like cage under the eye. So I personally like to use the jade roller, which I don't have it here, but I like to use the jade roller. I put it in, I have one in my freezer, that's where it is, I guess, and one in my bathroom, and I easily massage under the eyes. But also without the jade roller, clean hands, and just gently you can start tapping like that and massage with circular motion towards the outside, towards your brow bone, like that. I like tapping. By the way, that's the way you should apply your eye cream, tapping. Yeah, so, and again, if you do it after you put the spoon or the cucumber, it works really good together. Now also essential oils for puffy eyes, but please do not use any essential oils directly on your skin. The only one that you can use on the skin is lavender. The rest you have to dilute in a carrier oil, which can be almond, coconut, olive, whatever you like, but never, do not, especially not on the eyes, please. Essential oil. Now, the citrus one, like lemon, is relieving stress and contain natural oxidant, as well as the sweet orange. That can help. Chamomile, as I said, it's anti-inflammation and it's calming the skin. It's relief, the tension under the eye. That's why, for example, in Pure Eye Treatment Gel, I use chamomile, I use orange, I use rose and geranium, and it's based on gel, so it's also cooling down. And again, please do not put them directly on your eyes, the essential oil. So that's another thing. I cannot stretch this enough, and you probably know that it's not a secret. Rest and recharge. Your face is like a map to your physical and emotional and mental state. Relaxing and having tools for stress relief, receiving care will affect your appearance big time. So yes, sleep will help your eyes be more open and clear, but also relaxing and just shutting your eyes and getting a nice treatment, a good massage, or meditating, anything that helps calm your nervous system, helps regulate your emotions, will affect your appearance. So with that being said, I invite you to take a nap on the treatment bed while your skin being pampered, and you recharge and relax. And that's it. These are my tips. So you don't have to hide. Enjoy the summer and take care.